The vacuum seal keeps them fresh for hours. When apples and other produce turns that rusty brown after being exposed to oxygen, it's a signal that they're losing nutritional value. Sans pumps out air to create a tightly sealed environment that prevents oxidation from happening. Your fruits and vegetables not only stay the right color, but also hold on to their vitamins longer. Maker Tracy Miller actually comes from a background in wine preservation. She called on this experience to extend the lifespan of her smoothies, which means that yes, Sans can keep your wine fresh too. If you blend a juice or smoothie in advance, you can have it ready for you after the gym, a bike ride, or a day at the office. It'll look and taste fresh hours later. You can even chop up fruit and use Sans as a sealed container. It's super easy to disassemble and hand wash when you're done. Pump out the air and drink something freshly squeezed or blended, hours after you make it.
Golly, Gma, I'll be back in time for dinner.
Okay, honey. See you soon, love you.
Tired of cutting your fingers, even when you know you're an expert at chopping? Maybe you've just given up on chopping and are stuck buying days-old pre-cut veggies. Introducing Tip Tough. Safe to use for the whole family. Now you can cook together. Tip Tough. Cut your food, not your fingers.
Is your lifestyle fast-paced? Miss breakfast again? Meet the all-new Go-Go Blender from Mitt. Just add your choice of fruit, veg, nuts, yogurt, attach the blades, lock in place, and blend. With ultra-sharp blades at 350 watts of power, you can make smoothies, juices, protein shakes. The genius? Just pop off the blades and pop on the drinking cap. It's super nutritious smoothies on the go. And only one container to wash. Extra bottles sold separately.
The food bag's an all-in-one serving container and lunch bag, so it's never been easier to grab lunch and go. The design is based on the dry bag, which uses a folding seal to prevent water leaks. Food bag is microwavable, so there's no need to pack food in a separate container and then pack in your lunch bag. Just put leftovers directly in food bag, roll the top and seal, and enjoy portable food storage for anything, from spaghetti and meatballs to a chopped salad to a simple sandwich. Food bag is made from BPA-free silicone, and it's completely dishwasher safe. So it's a breeze to clean and reuse daily.
Tired of onion eyes, garlic hands, or cut fingers? You need the incredible Clean Cut Chop Chop. With just one effortless pull, it chops an amazing 16 times. In under 3 seconds, whiz through garlic, herbs, carrots, and cucumber. Now add tomatoes, herbs, and onion for a delicious salsa in record time. Create salads with ease, soups, and desserts. Why pay 100 or even 90 rand? Get Chop Chop at the once-off Old kitchen mitts can't take the heat. Meet the incredible new Smart Mitt from TiVo. Smart Mitt silicone shell withstands temps of up to 230 degrees. Now handle boiling hot food, steaming hot pots, and oven-heated baking trays with ease. Smart Mitt has thick extra-length forearm protection, non-slip grip check, super comfortable inner lining, and fits both left and right-handers. Now adjust the brine wheel on the go. Turn hot potatoes, even arrange red-hot coals. It's the ultimate indoor-outdoor wet and dry heat protector. Get your Smart Mitt now. The unique design stores grains and other dry ingredients in a slim, airtight container. The lid doubles as a measuring and dispensing cap, which founder CJ Knapp calls the Mad Cap. Gently tilt and shake until the right amount of dry goods is in the lid. You can see the amount against the measurement lines. Lift the cap to dispense. The remaining goods won't spill out. This design is perfect for measuring things like cereal, oats, rice, nuts, or granola. It's also a good way to practice portion control. One thing to note, the measuring probably isn't precise enough for baking. Made lets you fill it up with bulk dry goods while fitting in one hand. And the container's weight, while empty, is printed right on it, so at checkout, the cashier can easily subtract it.